In this video, I'm going to show you how to add text for different duration of your video. So basically, let's say you have a video that's long 15 seconds and you want to say something the first 5 and then something else the next 3 seconds and etc. First, you want to open up your TikTok app and then shoot a video you want to record or just upload one from your camera roll. Once it's done, click on OK and then click on text. Let's say I want this, then you have written the text and then click on it and set duration. As you can see, your video, at least my video, is 5 seconds long. And then if I just drag this to 1 second, as you can see, the text now disappeared. Now I can add a new text. Set duration, I don't know, like from this side. Okay, and then this is the first text and the next text. And that's basically it. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.